I received a PR package from Curel, a Japanese skincare brand that is made especially for us na may mga sensitive skin. What I love about this skincare brand is nagpo-focus sila sa mga ceramides, which is nakakatulong sa atin para mag-lock yung moisture sa skin natin. Baka kasi skincare tayo ng skincare but our skin barrier is already damaged. Ceramides will help us na ma-lock in ulit yung moisture sa skin natin to keep it healthy. Let's open it now and wow! They have 5 main products. They have this foaming facial wash. They have UV protection milk, SPF 50 PA+++. They also have deep moisture spray, which I will use later. They also have intensive moisture care powder in balm and the moisture facial cream. Dito talaga ako pinaka-excited sa deep moisture spray nila. Okay, let's try. Bago ako lumabas right now, ooh. It's really hydrating. Mararamdaman mo siya sa face mo. Para ka nagre-apply ng moisturizer on the top of your makeup. Plus, nakaka-help siya sa makeup ko. Naging buhay siya tignan. So, that's all for today. I will be trying all of their products on my next video. So, stay tuned for more updates. Yun lang. Bye!